and welcome to Quick Defense Exam. As you know that we have already completed FCAT to 2019 previous year question paper, and in this video we will start FCAT 1 2019 previous year question paper. So I hope you all like my first series of FCAT to 2019 previous year question paper. Let's take our pen and now start our class. So now we are ready. Today's first question. First Bharat Ratna Award winner. Who is the first award winner of Bharat Ratna? And the answer is S. Radhakrishnan, C.V. Raman, C. Rajgopalachari in 1954. As you can see, C.V. Raman, okay, S. Radhakrishnan and C. Rajgopalachari in 1954. Okay. The Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award of the Republic of India, okay, and it was instituted on 2nd of January 1954. The award is conferred in recognition of exceptional service performance of the highest order, okay, and behind Bharat Ratna, the second award are Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, and Padma Shri. Okay. As you know, let's talk about Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was an Indian philosopher, academic, and statesman, and he also served as the first Vice President of India and the second President of India. Okay, as you know, his birth date is 5th September, which is also celebrated as Teachers' Day. Okay, come on to C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman or Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman, he was an Indian physicist and known for his work in the field of light scattering. Okay, and he had also discovered that light traverses a transparent material. Okay, and he was born in Tiruchirappalli. He also got a Nobel Prize in 1930 in physics for his scattering of light and discovery of the affected name. Is also known as Raman effect. Okay, let's come to Sri Rajgopalachari. And he was also called as Rajaji or CR and was an Indian politician, independence activist, lawyer, writer, historian, and statesman. Okay, and he was also the last Governor General of India. Okay, now come on to our next question. Number of players in basketball. From each side, from each team, there are 5 players in basketball. And here is the pic of great personality who died in an aeroplane crash in January 26, 2020. And his name is Kobe Bryant. And he was an American professional basketball player. And he spent his entire 20-year career with the Los Angeles Lakers and the National Basketball Association. Okay, so he's a great personality, sports person in a basketball history. And in the last few years, there's a documentary which is also known as Dear Basketball. Okay, which is came on his name. Now, come to our third question. First 3 women fighter pilot of Indian Air Force. And here it is, Bhavna Kant, Mohana Singh, and Avni Chaturvedi. Okay, so these 3 are the one of the first female fighter pilots of India, and they were declared as the first combat pilots. Okay, and the trio was conducted in the Indian Air Force Fighter Squadron in June 2016. Okay, so here is the more information about our pilot girls. Now come on to our next slide. Number of bouncer bowled in T20 match. How many bouncer a bowler can give in a T20 match? So only one bouncer is allowed in a T20 match. Okay. Come on to our fifth question. President of Maldives. As you can see, the Maldives is a country in South Asia and also known as Republic of Maldives. Okay, it is a small archipelago state in South Asia. Okay, situated near Arabian Sea of Indian Ocean. Okay, and it is a neighboring country of Sri Lanka and India. Okay, and its capital is Malé, and its currency is Maldivian rupiah. Okay, and its president is Ibrahim Mohammed Soli. So here is the more information about Maldives. Capital of Nigeria. As you can here see, Nigeria. It is a country in West Africa and it is on the Gulf of Guiana. Okay, and there are so many natural national parks here. Cross River National Park, Yankari National Park. Okay, waterfalls, dense rainforest, savanna, and rare primate habitat here. Okay, and is one of the most recognizable sites of Juma Rock, sorry, also present here, and its capital is Abuja. Here you can see Abuja. Okay, and its president is Muhammadu Buhari, and currency here is Nigerian naira. So here's the information about Nigeria. Okay, come on to our next slide. World record in 400-meter race. It is made by Van Niekerk and he belongs to South Africa. Okay, and he is a South African tracker and field sprinter he competes in the 200 and 400-meter race. Okay, and in 400-meter race he is the current world and Olympic record holder and Olympic champion. Okay, and he also holds the world best time in the 300 meters. Okay, so he is a South African. Okay, now our next question, language during Ashoka period, and you can see here is the Prakrit language, and who is Ashoka? Ashoka, who is also known as Ashoka the Great, was an Indian emperor of the Maurya dynasty, and he ruled almost all the Indian subcontinent, and he is also the grandson of Chandragupta Maurya. Okay, and Ashoka spread the Buddhism, as you all know, Ashoka's thumb, and many more things. So he played a very important role in the spread of Buddhism. Okay, now come on to our next question. Best FIFA player of 2018, and he is Luka Modric. Here you can see the pic while receiving the award of Best FIFA Player in 2018, and he is a Croatian professional footballer and he plays a midfielder for Spanish club Real Madrid and he captains the Croatian national team. Okay, he is mainly a central midfielder, okay, but can also play as an attacking midfielder or as a defensive midfielder, okay, and he is usually deployed as a deep line player, okay. So here is the more information about Luka Modric. Come on to our next slide. Now the next question is first modern Olympic game held in Athens, Greece, and here you can see the inauguration ceremony of that time. Very old big Athens, Greece. Okay. Where is Greece? Greece is a country in the southeastern Europe and there's thousands of islands throughout the Aegean and Ionian Sea in ancient Asian time. Okay. It is often and Greece is also called as the cradle of Western civilization. Okay, and Athens is its capital. Okay, and Greece is also known for its beaches from the Black Sand. Okay, and its currency is euro, and the president is right now Katerina Sakellaropoulou. So the more information about Greece. Okay, now come on to our next question. Founder of our dynasty. As you can see, here is the biggest Uttar Pradesh. Okay, the second largest state area wise. Okay, the first one is Rajasthan, and here you can see this mid portion is known as Awadh. Okay, and the founder of this Awadh dynasty is a Sadat Ali Khan. Okay, and he founded the Agra dynasty. Now come on to our next question. 2020 Olympics game. As you know, the 2020 Olympic Games was postponed due to COVID-19 pandemic, and now these games will be held as a Summer Olympics in 2021 from July to August. Okay, and it is an upcoming international multi-sport event. Okay, and it will be held in Tokyo, Japan. Venue is same, only the date changed due to COVID pandemic. Come on to our next slide. Hornbill Festival, which is also known as Festival of Festivals, is celebrated celebrated in which state? And it is celebrated in Nagaland, and it is always celebrated from 1st to 10th December. Okay, and it is a Northeast Indian festival. Okay, and its significance is to revive, protect, and sustain, promote the richness of Naga heritage and traditions. And it was always observed by Nagas. Here you can see the pic of Hornbill Festival, and it was annually celebrated. Okay, come on to our next question. Hardest substance on Earth, and it is diamond. Diamond is the hardest substance in the Earth. Now, question number second. Shuddhi movement. Shuddhi movement was started by Swami Dayanand Saraswati, who has also started an organization which is known as Arya Samaj. Okay, so Siddhi movement was started by Arya Samaj in the early 20th centuries and to bring back the people who transferred their religion to Islam and Christianity from Hinduism. Okay, and the meaning of Siddhi is purification. Okay, but Arya Samaj did not aim at literal meaning, rather they mean reconversion by the term. Okay, come on to our next slide. Author of The Golden Threshold. Who is the author of Golden Threshold? So, Sarojini Naidu is the author of The Golden Threshold. As you all know, Sarojini Naidu, Sarojini Naidu was an Indian political activist and poet, and she was a civil rights woman emancipation and anti-imperialistic identity. She was an important figure in India's struggle for independence from colonial rule, and she was also known as Nightingale of India or Bharat Kopila. Okay, and she was the first Indian woman to become the president of the Indian National Congress, and she also contributed to the drafting of the Indian Constitution. Okay, and Sarojini Naidu was also the first woman to become the governor of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so here's some more information about Sarojini Naidu. Now come to our next question. Capital of Chile, and it is Santiago. As you know, Chile is a long narrow country stretching along South America's western edge. Okay, and its Pacific Ocean is near to it, and its president is Sebastian Pinera, and her currency is Chilean peso. Okay, and the city's Palm Plaza de Armas contains the Neoclassic Cathedral and the National History of Museum. Okay, and there are so many ranges and mountains are also there. So here's some more information about Chile. Come on to our next question. 100-meter butterfly record. Michael Phelps. As I have already discussed about Michael Phelps in my previous series of FCAT 190 question paper. Okay, he has won the highest 28 medals in Olympics with 23 gold. Okay, come on to our next slide. Who won the Golden Boot in FIFA 2018? And it was won by Harry Kane, England. Okay. Now let's take the more information about Golden Boot. It is a European golden shoe, which is also known as European Golden Boot, and it is an award that is presented each season to the leading goal scorer in league matches from the top division of every European national league. Okay, and the trophy is a sculpture of football boat. Okay, and currently this award is held by Ciro Immobile. Okay, and the most awarded by this the person who gets most Golden Boot award in his life is Lionel Messi. He got 6 times this award, but in 2018 this award was given to Harry Kane from and he is from England. Okay, Harry Kane, and he is an English professional footballer, and he plays as a striker for Premier League club Tottenham Hotspur and captains the England national team. And he is one of the best striker in the world. ठीक है? And he is also known for his prolific goal scoring record and liability to link play. Okay, so he is played from England national football team. Okay, come on to our next question. 2016 Olympic. As you all know, the 2016 Olympic was held in Brazil, that is the Rio de Janeiro. Okay, now come on to our next question. Agra city founded by Sultan Sikandar Lodi. As many of you people think that Agra is also only famous for Taj Mahal, but no guys, you are wrong. Agra is famous for so many places like Taj Mahal, Agra Fort, Mehtab Bagh, Kinari Bazaar, okay, and Tomb of Itmad Uddaula, Kurari Village, Taj Nature Walk, or Wildlife Exhibit. ठीक है? And there are so many places near to Agra like Tomb of Salim Chishti in Fatehpur Sikri and also Buland Darwaza, which is also located near Fatehpur Sikri near to Agra. Okay, come on to our next slide. Founder of Pallava dynasty. As you see, Pallava dynasty ruled in the southern India, and the capital of Pallava dynasty is Kanchi, and the founder of it is Simbawanshu, okay, who is also known as Avnishima, and he is the son of Simvarma III, okay, who is the Pallava king of India, and he was responsible for the revival of the Pallavan dynasty. He was the first Pallava monarch whose domain extended beyond the Kanchipuram in south. Okay, come on to our next question. Gobi Desert. Okay, and Gobi Desert found in Mongolia. As you can see, here is our India. Okay, this is the Himalaya Tibet Autonomous Region. Okay, this is the China, and here is the Wuhan, the most famous place, controversial place of 2020, where COVID-19 pandemic erupted. Okay, this is the Mongolia. The whole portion is China, and here is the Uyghur, here is the Xinjiang provinces where Uyghur Muslims live. Okay, and this is also a Taklamakan desert. Okay, and here is the Mongolia, this is the Russia, this is the North Korea, here is the South Korea, and there are the Tajikistan, Uzbekistan countries. So this desert is known as Gobi Desert. Okay, so Mongolia is a landlocked country as it is bordered by Russia as well as China. Make sure that it is bordered by only Russia and China. Okay, here is a space. So its capital is Ulaanbaatar, and as you know, the most famous ruler is Genghis Khan, and Genghis Khan belongs from Mongolia. Okay, right now its president is Khaltmagin Batulga, and its currency is Mongolian Togrok. Okay, and the population is approximately 30 to 35 lakh. Okay, now come on to the next question. The chairman of drafting committee, and his B.R. Ambedkar, chairman of drafting committee. As you know, B.R. Ambedkar, which is also known as Bhimrao Ambedkar or Baba Sahib Ambedkar. He was an Indian scholar, economist, politician, and social reformer, and he inspired the Dalit Buddhist movement and campaign against social discrimination towards the untouchable. And he was also the supporting for the rights of women and laborers. Okay, so here's the chairman of our drafting committee. So guys, that's it for this video. We will come in our second part 2, with the remaining questions. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Never give up.